Chapter 12. Active and Passive Voice. Active voice. In active sentences, the subject is active or the subject performs the action. Example. The goat, subject, is eating, verb, grass. Object, active voice. The goat is eating grass. Passive voice. In passive sentences, the subject is not active or the subject is acted upon by the verb. Example. Grass, subject, is being eaten, verb, by the goat. Object, passive voice. Grass is being eaten by the goat. Active and passive voice with tenses. Simple present tense. Is, am, are plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. He lights the earthen lamp. The earthen lamp is lit by him. He does not light the earthen lamp. The earthen lamp is not lit by him. Do you light the earthen lamp? Is the earthen lamp lit by you? Present continuous tense. Is, am, are plus being plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. I am driving a bicycle. A bicycle is being driven by me. I am not driving a bicycle. A bicycle is not being driven by me. Am I driving a bicycle? Is a bicycle being driven by me? Present perfect tense. Has, have plus been plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. He has stolen my pen. My pen has been stolen by him. He has not stolen my pen. My pen has not been stolen by him. Has he stolen my pen? Has my pen been stolen by him? Simple past tense. Was, were plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. She finished work. Work was finished by her. She did not finish work. Work was not finished by her. Did she finish work? Was work finished by her? Past continuous tense. Was, were plus being plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. He was revising his books. His books were being revised by him. He was not revising his books. His books were not being revised by him. Was he revising his books? Were his books being revised by him? Past perfect tense. Had plus been plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. I had completed the assignment. The assignment had been completed by me. I had not completed the assignment. The assignment had not been completed by me. Had I completed the assignment? Had the assignment been completed by me? Simple future tense. Will, shall plus be plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. My aunt will pay my dues. My dues will be paid by my aunt. My aunt will not pay my dues. My dues will not be paid by my aunt. Will my aunt pay my dues? Will my dues be paid by my aunt? Future perfect tense. Will, shall plus have been plus third form of verb. Active voice, passive voice. We shall have done our homework. Our homework shall have been done by us. We shall not have done our homework. Our homework shall not have been done by us. Shall we have done our homework? Shall our homework have been done by us? Note: in present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, future perfect tense, we use the sentence in active voice in passive voice. It means these tenses cannot be changed in passive form. Active and passive voice with modals. Modals: auxiliary verb in passive voice, active voice, passive voice. Can or could. Can or could plus be plus third form of verb. I can solve these sums. These sums can be solved by me. I cannot solve these sums. These sums cannot be solved by me. Can I solve these sums? Can these sums be solved by me? Has to or have to. Has to or have to plus third form of verb. He has to complete his project. His project has to be completed by him. Must. Must plus third form of verb. You must learn this book. This book must be learnt by you. May. May plus be plus third form of verb. I may buy the dress. The dress may be bought by me. Might. Might plus be plus third form of verb. They might play table tennis. Table tennis might be played by them. Should. Should plus be plus third form of verb. Students should learn all lessons. All lessons should be learnt by students. Active and passive voice with imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the sentences in which we express our feelings and emotions like command, order, advise, and request. Rules. First, let plus new object plus be or not be plus past participle or third form of verb. Second, for sentences expressing request, advice, or order, we use you are requested to, advised to, or ordered to. Note: always remove please and kind if they are given in the sentence. Active voice, passive voice. Bring your copies. Let your copies be brought. Drop the box at once. Let the box be dropped at once. Do not tell a lie. Let not a lie be told. Do not starve the goat. Let the goat not be starved. Let him help his father. Let his father be helped by him. Clean your table. Let your table be clean. Learn the poem. Let the poem be learned. Please accept my apologies. You are requested to accept my apologies. Leave my room. You are ordered to leave my room. Kindly do not spit in public place. You are requested to not spit in public place. To transform a sentence in passive voice, the following rules have to be observed. First, change the object into subject. If in object we have a pronoun of subject case, then convert that using the following rules. Me, I. You, you. Her, she. Them, they. Us, we. Him, he. It, it. Whom, who. Second, change the subject into object and use by before the object. If in subject we have a pronoun of nominative case, Convert that by using following rules. I by me. You by you. She by her. They by them. We by us. He by him. It by it. Who by whom. Some basic rules of active voice and passive voice are given below. First of all, find the subject, the object and the main verb. It means find SVO. Convert the object into subject. Convert the subject into object. Use suitable helping verb or an auxiliary verb according to the tense. If the helping verb is given, use the verb as it is. But note that the helping verb used should be according to the object. Convert the verb into past participle or third form of the verb. Use the preposition by.